Hello everyone and welcome back to a new tag. Today we are going to unbox a brand new smart bracelet. This is the Q9 and it comes in this box. So it's for iOS and Android. Here are the specification and some of the function this smart have. So we have heart rate monitor, multiplay sport, call alert, push message, camera remote control, alarm, sleep monitoring, stopwatch, IP76, 12 to 24 hours, anti-lost, and it's for Android and iOS as I told you. So it has a 1.3 inch display, polymeter lithium battery, 180 milliamp hours. It has a silicone straps and it's waterproof. So here's the box. In the box are included the watch, 2 straps, and underneath we have the charger, and we have the user manual. So here we have the watch, and we have 2 types of straps. It's easy to install them. It has 2 points that you connect the straps with your watch. So this is the watch. In the bottom we have the scanner and the charging point. So this is the display. We have clock, heart rate, steps, and burn calories. Data is here and the date. We have steps, calories, kilometers or distance. We have heart rate, blood pressure, sleep monitoring. We have sport, message, timer, find our phone, and power off. Now in the first page we can change the theme. Just hold, press and hold. This is the second theme. The third theme, and we have the first theme again. So it has 3 different themes, and in the option, for example steps, you can go to calories, distance, in sport you can press and hold, and now we have different sport. Let's go to sport again. Now we have a run, walk, climbing, riding. So these are the sport that this watch support. To activate them, you just press and hold it. So now it's registering everything. After you activate, it's gonna vibrate to tell you it's activating, and the time is gonna start to count. Now press and hold again to stop it. In the walk, climbing or riding is the same thing. You just press and hold to activate. Here we have message. It's gonna show our message after we connect with the phone, which we're gonna show you in the next video. Here we have timer. Press and hold to activate it, and it's gonna start to count. After timer, we have find phone. We can activate this after we connect with our phone. So now we can test by wearing it. We can test the blood pressure or heart monitoring. Now we can see it's gonna show everything. Let's go to now it's testing our heart rate. Blood pressure. Here, after it's done, it's gonna vibrate and tell you the exactly blood pressure. Now, after some of the function we see, here we have the user manual. So it's telling us about the watch. Here we have heart rate, charger connector, we have single touch area, silicone straps, and watch buckle. So we have the box list here. We have a wristband 1, charging clip 1, package box, straps, and instruction manual. So it has a Lion polymer, 180 milliamp hours. It's charged in 36 milliampere, and charging voltage is 3.7 volts. So here we have we have 3 different themes, as I showed you. We have performance, like walk, distance, heart, calories. In the second page of the user manual, we have blood pressure, sleep monitoring, kinds of sport. We have message, stopwatch, find phone, and the last option is shut down or power off. So other option or reminder, like incoming calls and ringing reminder. In the third page we have the user. In the user manual we have the app for iOS and Android. So this is the app. It's gonna look like this. And in the next video we're going to show you how to connect your phone with your Q9. This port is in Chinese. So this is all for Q9, and thank you for your attention. Please subscribe our channel and turn the notification on.